put the keys out the window. Driver, put the keys out the window. Put them on the ground. Driver, with your left hand, open the door. Step out of the vehicle. Walk back towards my voice. Turn around. Keep your hands up.
What?
Turn around. Keep your hands up. Walk back towards my voice. Keep walking. Keep walking. Stop. Side shuffle to your right. Keep going. Stop. Walk backwards. Keep walking back. Stop. Get down onto your knees.
For what? We're running. I was driving. I wasn't running. I was driving. I wasn't running.